thank you for joining me for my second installment here of Beginner's Reviews on YouTube. Today we're going to be talking about the F91 Gundam. But before that, first off, I just want to talk a little bit and say thank you for those of you who watched my first video. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate the support that you guys have shown me with that. Second, the people who have not watched yet. Basically, Beginner's Reviews, we're going to be talking a little bit about the positives and the negatives of this kit, as well as, things to watch for with the build. That way, if you pick yourself up a high grade F91 Gundam, you will know, what to expect with the build, if there's anything bad. But either way, why don't we get into it?
Like tears in rain.
Doesn't that look like one spicy boy? Overall though, honestly, this kit looks great, especially for high grade. The amount of detail that they, make available in this kit is just ridiculous. I mean, even if we look at the, the chest there, all those little slits and going down into the skirt and everything else, honestly, it's just a great kit. But let's talk a little bit more about it. Alright, to get into the nitty gritty of this one, let's start with the suit itself. Let's pick this up here. So, if you look at it, give it a second to focus here. So, I mean, just look at that. Look at all that detail. It's amazing. Even in the VSBRs, sorry. I mean, if you open that up, they even detailed all of that. Look at that. But, just awesome kit, honestly. And the joints, I mean, we're talking good joints, good solid joints. The waist can be a little, but really, posing, not that big of an issue. It stays. Even if the weapons, like we can look at the beam rifle here. I mean, look at that. Focus. There we go. If you look at it, I mean, they really did all that. And a lot of times with AGs, I mean, yeah, they're detailed, of course, but they don't get, like, to this point. This is made in 2013 as well, the design was, and I mean, so that puts it a little bit of age on there with it. That's pretty impressive, honestly. They did a really great job. Good job, Bandai. But honestly, positives of this kit, as I've said a million times in this video, detail. But negatives, the only thing that would kind of be a negative is the waist. We talked about how it's a little bit jiggly, but other than that, it's been great. The VSBRs back here, they actually are on a rotating, on a pivot sort of deal. So then they, come on, focus. There we go. So when they come forward, you can see that there. It actually rotates forward, which means that when they come forward, they stay. And that is awesome when it comes to posing and stuff. So that's a huge plus with this kit. You can make so many different poses out of just, the VSBRs alone, not to mention the, melee and all the other weaponry available. But honestly, as far as the building went, it was a very smooth build. Just make sure that you are careful. This does have a lot of small parts for the HGs. Oh my gosh, so it comes with the optional face, right? It's very small. It is very small. I lost the red backing for this one, but thankfully I didn't lose both of them, so I could still put it together. But a lot of small parts, so just make sure you keep track of your parts and don't make the same mistake I did. But other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed this short video, helping just talk about the F91 a little bit. And, keep up with some of my projects I'm doing on Instagram. My Gus Claw is almost done, so I'll be posting more about that one here later. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Gunpla related content.